how to see deviance on Degiro. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can see deviance on Degiro. To see deviance on Degiro, you'll have to follow the steps. The first thing is you have to log in into your Degiro account. So enter in your password and a username, log in into your account. Due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just going to instruct you. After you're logged in, navigate to the portfolio section of the Degiro platform. This is where you can view all your holdings and transactions as well. And within your portfolio, locate the asset like stock, EFTs, etc. for which you want to view the deviance. On the next page, you have to click on the asset to view more detail. Look for the deviance related information such as deviant yield, ex-deviant, etc. Once you've done that, Degiro may provide a deviant history for the asset. This will show you past deviant payment and the respective dates as well. And additionally, if you need more detailed information about deviance or have specific questions, Degiro may offer additional educational resources or support material on the website or platform as well. You can always reach out to the Degiro's customer support for assistance. So that's basically how you can see deviance on Degiro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.